Hi everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. As if you've been watching the last few days worth of vlogs, we have been living on soup for a large part of this week because we're trying to be super back on plan and also because it's easy. So I'm going to show you now what I'm going to do for breakfast, lunch as a sort of brunch soup. Quick and easy. So there you go, this is literally all the ingredients that I'm putting into the soup. So it's 2 chicken breasts, which I'm about to saute with a bit of fry light. That's the olive oil fry light. I've got 5 really small red onions that I've chopped, just roughly chopped because the soup maker does the rest, and 8 large mushrooms, along with some soy milk. So that's the soup maker. I've just turned it on. I've got a couple of squirts of the olive oil fry light in there just because we really like the olive oil one and because I think it will go well for this recipe. I'm just sauteing the chicken off now, just a few minutes. Just keep turning it round. The bottom of this gets super hot, so don't worry about the smoke. It's not burning. It's actually all the steam and the water from the chicken and a little bit of the olive oil fry light. It's probably just smoking a little bit, but you just keep turning it and turning it and turning it. There we go. Now it's time to add the onions. By sauteing it, just get some really nice cooked sort of roasted flavours into the soup before you do anything else. And obviously because it's going to be fully cooked through in the soup process, you don't have to worry too much about the chicken being cooked through because we're not actually cooking it through to eat like that. We're just cooking it through to get that lovely flavour. And there is a lot of smoke and steam coming off this. I've got to say, it doesn't smell bad at all. It just smells of cooking chicken, so it smells lovely. So nothing's actually burning. As you can see in there, but as I say, it does get super hot. So this is one thing, if you're going to do it and saute it in the saute one, you've got to keep an eye on it, because if you turn your back for a second, it will just obviously start to catch. So just keep turning it around, and then it's almost time to add the wet ingredients. So as you can see, as soon as you turn that off, it stops smoking, but that is still nice and hot in the bottom. So I'm just going to add in some soy milk. Now there's 2 levels just there. See, there's 2 lines. I'm adding it to just on the bottom line. So that's a fair bit. It's probably about not quite half a litre. But I'm also going to add some more cold water as well, just to sort of bring it up to the levels I need it to. And I'm adding in 2 stock cubes. These are just the vegetable stock cubes. Now when you pop the lid on, sometimes you'll find, because like in here it's got quite a few chunky ingredients, sometimes you have to just make a bit of space for that. I need to take the spatula out, actually, that might help, but you need to just sometimes give it a little bit of a jiggle to get them all in. Then there you go. So as ever, you've seen me do this before. I like the smooth, so you press the smooth, press that gives you 21 minutes, just enough time to go off, make a cup of coffee, sit down and read Slimming World magazine. So it's just beeped, so oh, look at that. That looks yummy. I'll show you what it looks like in the cup. There you go. It almost looks like a coffee, doesn't it? But it's slightly... See, the thing is, whenever you put mushrooms in a soup, it goes slightly grey. So this looks slightly sort of stone buff colour, but it looks really nice. It smells really nice. Oh God, that's lovely. That is a nice soup. So there you go, very super simple, quick and easy chicken and mushroom soup. 6 ingredients: some chicken, some mushrooms, some onions, some stock cubes, some soy milk and some water. That's all you need, and you can have a delicious and really yummy SP soup made in 20 minutes if you've got one of those soup makers. There you go. Join us on another video. Leave a comment in the comment section and we will see you on another one. And as we always say,